Hello, folks, and welcome to a new We Are VR Variety Review. This is my brother's return to the show. He was sick, but now he is better.
My return to VR Variety Review.
Yes. And this is our theatrical review of Year One, starring Jack Black and Michael Cera. Now, I'll do. Henry will do his take first on it.
Year One.
Go ahead.
Year One was a back-in-time comedy, and I thought it was a lot of fun. There was comedy throughout, laughing throughout, a lot funnier, well, a lot better, actually, than I thought it would be, because I basically laughed throughout the entire film, and Jack Black and Michael Cera were great together. There was some cameos, Hank Azaria, Paul Rudd, even though Paul Rudd got beaten up.
Don't want to give any spoilers away
got
here.
Beaten up by another cameo, don't know his name though. So very funny scenes. Vinnie Jones actually was a character in this.
Let's get this going here.
So very
out of 10, sir.
Very impressed with this movie, and I would give it a solid 10 out of 10.
Okay.
And this is 10 out of 10.
Okay, now
very good.
What I liked about this film was it had me laughing throughout the damn film. Was not expecting that. This was a lot funnier than I thought that it would be, as I just mentioned. Jack Black is one of my favorite comedians, and Michael Cera does as well another great job in this. He's very funny in this. And all the other cameos that my brother mentioned, I'm not gonna mention them because Henry already did. They were great. Some very good, some very neat references to like the biblical people in the Bible and stuff. And it has some history to it. But don't be going to this movie for a history lesson. This is strongly a comedy, and definitely go see this if you love all-out, funny, balls-out comedy. So definitely go see this. 10 out of 10 from me. And we'll see you next time on another We Are VR Variety Review. See you next time, folks, with Transformers.